workshop we did, which was an old quiz. Draw mechanism and resonance arrows to form 3 different carbocation intermediates. So one of the things you could do here is, you see you have A, B, and C. If you just took off there and there and there, you'd know that essentially this carbon, and this carbon had to have a carbocation, right? So that's where a plus charge would be. So you could work backwards from there to your first step if you wanted to. That'd be one way to do it. Something to think about. The first one's maybe the most simplest one. Make a tertiary carbocation. Sulfur adds in. Proton transfer, that gets you to A. Right? Easy enough. If we go here, we could also go the other way though, right? So if you see these ones, B and C, the sulfur kind of adds in the rings. That means the carbocation probably needs to be in the ring, right, to be able to do resonance. So if we do this same thing again, the proton transfer addition, both of these carbons are fully substituted. So we could have actually this one would be even better. So it's tertiary doubly allylic. So we'll make a carbocation here. Carbocations can rearrange, but this isn't a rearrangement. This is resonance, all right? It's just moving pi bonds. 1, 2, you could do it in more than one step if you wanted to. Sulfur adds, same deal as before, proton transfer. If you just did one arrow, sulfur adds, proton transfers, all those things. Keeping balance of your charges, all that kind of stuff is the key here. But feeling really comfortable with resonance and those type of things and kind of identifying where the sulfur needs to add is important here. So another one, draw the product and mechanism arrows for the reactions below. Again, Grignard. This is a carbamate now. But again, oxygen and nitrogen are good leaving groups if the thing that's adding is a C-. So think about. Grignard adds in. We kick out the oxygen first because the oxygen is more electronegative, right? Be a better leaving group than nitrogen. Add another Grignard addition, right? You got to add in, break the pi bond, make the tetrahedral intermediate, eliminate, right? Here, add in first, and then at the end, we'll all do the proton transfers. But you do this add in first, make sure they're separate. There's your alcohol, and there's your amino alcohol as well.